Ever pondered how to safeguard your online privacy and data? In our rapidly evolving digital age, protecting your online privacy and data has never been more crucial. We're talking about a virtual private network, or VPN, a key player in this arena. It cloaks your online activity, keeping prying eyes at bay and securing your personal information. One of the best tools available today for this purpose is NordVPN. Let's delve into its features and benefits. NordVPN's security protocols stand as its first line of defense, a virtual fortress, if you will, against the dark corners of the internet. At the heart of this fortress is the AES 256-bit encryption standard. This is no ordinary lock and key. It's considered the gold standard in data encryption. It's so secure, in fact, that the world's top security agencies use it. That's the same level of protection NordVPN extends to you. But NordVPN doesn't stop at AES 256-bit encryption. It also offers the double VPN feature, which encrypts your data not once but twice, bouncing it between two servers for added security. Think of it like wearing 2 layers of armor. Finally, there's Onion over VPN. This feature sends your encrypted data through the Onion network, adding yet another layer of security and making it even harder for anyone to track your online activities. With such robust security protocols, NordVPN ensures your online activities remain confidential. The geographical reach of NordVPN is another notable feature. Imagine a network, a vast one, spanning across the globe with over 5,000 servers stationed in 59 countries. That's the scale we're talking about when we discuss NordVPN's server locations. This wide distribution of servers provides users with an incredible advantage. It allows them to bypass the pesky geo-restrictions that can often limit our online experience. Picture this. You're in Australia but want to watch a show that's only available on US Netflix. With NordVPN, you can simply connect to one of their US servers and voila, the show is now available for your viewing pleasure. It's like having a private, secure tunnel that can transport you to any corner of the digital world, all while keeping your data safe and your identity hidden. With NordVPN, the world is truly at your fingertips. What about streaming your favorite shows without any restrictions? NordVPN makes it possible. Yes, you heard it right. With NordVPN, geographical boundaries become a thing of the past, and the world of entertainment becomes your oyster. NordVPN allows you to access popular streaming platforms, such as Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer from anywhere in the world. So no more missing out on your favorite shows while you're traveling or living abroad. But what good is access without quality, right? Well, NordVPN ensures that too. It provides fast, reliable connections, which means you can say goodbye to the dreaded buffer wheel. Stream your favorite content without any interruptions in high definition. Enjoy a seamless viewing experience, whether you're catching up on a series, watching a movie, or binge-watching a whole season. In essence, NordVPN is more than just a VPN. It's your passport to a world of entertainment unbound by geographical restrictions. NordVPN is your ticket to unrestricted high-quality streaming. Ease of use is key when it comes to technology, and NordVPN understands this. It's designed with an intuitive interface that's delightfully easy to navigate. Whether you're a tech guru or a beginner, you'll find its layout simple yet effective. Just a quick glance and you know exactly where to go, what to do. The best part? It's all about simplicity. Connecting to a secure server, choosing your location, checking your security status, all these actions are just a click away. With NordVPN, protecting your online privacy is as easy as clicking a button. To sum up, NordVPN is a comprehensive tool for online privacy and data protection. We've explored the multitude of features that make this VPN a standout choice for internet users worldwide. Let's recap. The robust security protocols of NordVPN are at the forefront, ensuring your data is encrypted and your online activities are kept private. Then, we have the vast array of server locations spanning the globe and providing you with the freedom to browse from virtually anywhere. We also delved into the impressive streaming capabilities of NordVPN. With this tool, geographic restrictions on your favorite content are a thing of the past. And let's not forget the user-friendly interface that makes navigating these features a breeze, even for the least tech-savvy among us. With its strong security protocols, wide server distribution, excellent streaming capabilities, and easy-to-use interface, NordVPN is a reliable companion in the digital world, safeguarding your privacy and data at every step.